Hey guys, and welcome back to Lecture Watermelon Juice. Today I'm gonna be doing a review about Windows 11, like how we have here. Like at the edge, it's written Windows 11 Home Insider Preview. It's gonna be the pre-release 210929 1415 review. And let's see the version of Windows here. And the version of Windows over here, as you see, is Windows 11. Like how? Okay, so now I have observed in my YouTube channel on my phone, the YouTube Studio, that a like 65% of my channel's viewers don't subscribe, and the other 35% of them have subscribed. So I need you people to please subscribe so I can at least get 100. For now the goal is 100, so I can change some of my channel settings. Then the goal will be 500, then 1000. So I really need your help to get 100 subscribers, so please help me. Okay, so let's start the review. First, you're gonna review about the taskbar, obviously, because I've been using Windows 11 for mm, for about from since when it released, like just one week after when it released. I think so. It was June 24 or July 24. That time it released, and just 1 week after it, I installed Windows Insider Preview, and then right away installed Windows 11. Then we are here in Windows 11, and I've so far used it for a long time, and nothing wrong has happened. Playing games, doing nothing wrong has happened. It's just like Windows 10 how I used to have, and Windows 8 how I used to have on the other laptop. So now let's start. I think so. You are very curious. Like, how did you install Windows 11? Like, after some videos, I will make a video about that. Like after review about Ubuntu. After that, I'll do it. And plus, I thought, and plus, I've not uploaded in a very long time, and you're thinking why I haven't. I wasn't uploading because I was very addicted to this Windows 11, and I was just editing this video continuously for a long time. Then I brought this video to you. So please like, share, and subscribe. Now let's start the review. First of all, if we look, um, if we look, one of the changes like Microsoft hasn't done. If you look at the edge over here, when I click on it, still see the edges sharp. Should be it should be curved. Like if you see in the Windows, it's like this curved, right? And at the start button, it's curved. It should be curved only over here. If we click it and then release it, you'll see it's not curved on any application. But if you click it, LD, if you don't click like this thing, you'll see it's not like a sharp edge. If you look closely, then it's actually a rounded edge, and that's it. And now because of Windows 11, even Microsoft Edge has changed a lot. Now you have this side panel over here, like you can just change it up how you wanted. So vertical tabs, it's like this, and they've changed it a lot. Because this yeah, because this is Edge Chromium. It's not the normal Edge. The normal Edge was different. It was not similar as this, but this is Edge Chromium, based on Chromium, like fully. But it just has Microsoft services. So that's it for this thing. They have just made these minor, not so minor, but these changes, and that's all. That's all they made, and they also made a new thing like managed by like this and everything. Now they've made many new things in the browser also. Like they have done now more things, just settings more than Chrome also, like Google Chrome. So yeah, I would say that this is better. But if you look closely, like when you look, because Windows in the Windows, like when Windows was released, they gave a speech, right? But in the speech, if you look over here, the edge closely, I hope you can see it's actually not curved. They said everything was gonna be curved from whatever edges were there, it's gonna turn into curved, and whatever curves was there will stay curves only. So like that, and this minor bug has not still been fixed. I've been like looking for it a long time. And one more bug over here, like it's working now, like it has already done. Like over here, this was also sharp just like Windows 10, but now it's at the edge, so now that's good. And there's a new shortcut now in Windows 11. You press the Windows key and the space bar. You're gonna you can like change your this thing like Windows space bar. Like I have the Windows key like this, like that only. It doesn't have the curve like other PCs, and the space bar. Then you can just shift like that. Then over here they have also like made this thing curve, but if you closely look at the Bluetooth and the more options area, these two areas are not curved at all. The others are curved. Let's see the new like the new area over here where you can click Bluetooth, airplane mode, and everything. The brightness, there's still a bug because it's not showing yet. For me, the laptop brightness is changing. I don't think it's changing for you, but that's okay. Okay, so over here they have made very good changes, but this is still a bug like this thing over here. Like you can shift it, but it only shows for some time and it goes away. That's a very minor bug still available, but maybe they're gonna fix it. Who knows? Then if we like look over here, then the Wi-Fi menus have also fully been changed. It's very changed now. Yeah, and I still like it. Like everything's good and everything. It's good still. Then if we look over here, like it's all normal, just how it was over there. And we can just personalize this time. We can add whatever you want, like mobile hotspot, keyboard layout. You can add a mobile hotspot. You can add cast. You can add nightlight, project, nearby sharing, and everything you can add. You can change it like this. You can keep this up. I think so. No, you can only change this. You can click that. Yeah. Now you have a bigger menu than before now because you added more. And then if we click here, then it's normal. Like you can see the time there. This is the calendar. But this is worst thing. Like this is like a weird thing. No. This is like a weird thing which is in Windows 11. Like you can only go back until wait, you can only go back until 1921 to this is infinite to 2021 2121. This is a very weird bug. Like they have not fixed in Windows 10. I think so. You can go until zero only this time, but I don't know. Maybe it was different. I don't know. I've not used Windows 10 for a long time, so I still don't know. So then we are done the taskbar review. So now let's just check out these new things. Like this is the new start menu. It's actually better, but not as good as the Windows 7 and Windows 8 one, but it's good. The all apps area. But there's no back thing, so we can go back. You have to click out, then click it again to go back. That's a worse bad thing. Then this is the menu, and this is like your way here, and this thing, power options and everything. This is same only. And let's see the new search bar. If you just hover away, you can just click any application you want, then it will open like this is also new, like any application, and you can click there to search and it opens. And this is a new search area. It's actually good, better than the others also. But this is still a bug. I don't know what bug it is. Like before signing in, they already ask us to verify our account, then we have verified it, but it still says please verify your account for some reason. I don't know. So yeah, that's a problem. Then there's new desktop thing. Like you can just make new desktop. That'll be a new desktop. Over here, this will be a new desktop. Over here, yeah. So that's a good thing. I hope you saw it because I don't know. Like when I'm recording, that's why. Okay. So let's start. So over here, everything's normal only. So let's go to the widgets menu. Widgets is actually very good, not so good as how it was in Windows 7. We could just right click over here and you can do. But over here, there's new thing like this thing and everything. This one is also very good still. And there are many new programs also Microsoft added, so I'll tell you later. And these are the widgets, but the worst thing is like we cannot drag them outside, because last time there was a menu we can just drag them outside in Windows 7 and come here. Then this is the meeting area. Like if you click it, that's chat. Then you can like call, chat with anyone, you can meet with anyone with the Microsoft Teams, you can join like that. That's what you can do. So that's all. Now let's move on to the file explorer, how it looks. Now Microsoft has changed everything in this except some things. Okay, everything. Like the folder icon is different, the desktop, the downloads, documents, the pictures icon, everything's different. The this PC, the network icon, and especially for example, if I go to downloads and just click that, and then there's copy, there's paste, and there's more. There's also a new feature called set as background. This new set as background was in Ubuntu, now it's also here. That's cool. And that's it. That's a Windows this thing. And not much is changed. Like if we go to properties, the much it's much same only, no, nothing so different. So yeah, the file explorer is okay only. For example, if you go to downloads, the new thing is good also. So you just right click in and click new and do it. You can just click the new thing up there and you can add anything. That's also a cool feature. Okay, now let's move on to settings. Settings, you can just settings, there was in Windows like Windows 10, there was like just a settings icon, but this is pinned. You can just unpin it anytime and it will not be there anymore. So then we can just click it here, and this is the thing, new like settings, and the settings is fully modified. Everything's different. Okay, like literally if we look at the system menu, there are these many options. If we have Bluetooth and devices, you have these many options. If you have network and internet, it's they have changed it so much. I like this new settings, like design better than the others, and the theme. And there are many themes now also. Not only that theme, like normal theme, like this theme when we log in. There are many, and there's so many things you can do, like over here in accounts, in apps, accounts over here, time and language, gaming, and especially the gaming thing is very good. And you might think what's Xbox game bar. If you did not know, you can just pair a controller over here, then you can just click that, then Xbox game bar will here. Okay, you can just click Windows and G to open the Xbox game bar. Yeah, this is Xbox game bar. You just do whatever you want here. Like you can chat with other people who are in Xbox and everything. Let's see, accessibility. There's so many things over here. I like it a lot. Like now there are many mouse pointer options also now. There are many. That's why. Especially the new feature Windows Hello. There's literally eye control. There's touch, and there are many other like Windows Hello features also now. This time there's also like not much, but there's still more. And if you did not know that you can literally open the like your phone app, okay, you can open it, and you can like maximize it, and you can literally use your Android phone from the PC. Like I linked another Android phone. I just linked it when I reset this. Um, like when I installed another version of this thing. So like over here, there's so many features. Like you can text message, you can access your whole phone, and the best thing is you can also like install Android apps. Let's move on back to here. Okay, now there are many like here, so yeah, it's good. There's Windows Update, and Windows Update there's also like many new things. Yeah, I like the settings app so far. Everything is curved. Nothing in the settings app is like uncurved, like sharp edges, except the this thing over here. And I forgot to tell you one more feature. Like the feature was like if you hover over this, then you can like change your this thing. Then you can put this and this and this. Like that's very good, cool. Like you can keep it this way. The others can come here. Can keep it this way. The others can come here. You can keep it any way you want. That's why I like it for a customization of it. So let's now go to the other ultimate app. Like you like it a lot. The Windows Store. This the Windows Microsoft Store has changed so much. Look at this. There's so many games now, and Windows 11 has like Windows 11 has so many things like the apps. You can install any apps from here if you want. Apps from here if you want. Many apps like normal apps we use every day. Then you can go to gaming, and gaming is the best experience. Like over you can install any app you want. There's like not even one app which is not available like on this. And now you can also search for like what do you say, movies and everything. Now that's a cool feature, and that's it for it. Microsoft Store, it's very cool now. All the animations, everything's good. Especially Alpha Night Legends, I've played it before. It's very smooth on the laptop. Okay, so we have checked out the Windows Store. So next thing I'm gonna show you the Xbox app, like how it is. Like if you're gonna like do it, then if you're gonna like install anything like mm, Windows 11, like if you install Windows 11, then the Xbox app will come pre-installed because obviously it's a gaming system. So yeah, let's check out the other programs. Like for example, many icons have changed, like the notepad icon, paint icon, movies and TV, the tips icon, many things. I like it so far, like about how Windows 11 is. Like sometimes everyone gets bored, right? Like you get very much bored and you don't know what to do. Like right? You're very bored. You don't know what to do. Hmm? That happens mostly, right? I'm asking everyone, like, I think so it's gonna happen. Especially the now I'm gonna share you our app calculator. This thing also has changed, not a lot. Like you can see now the curves have changed, everything. See, like you can make anything, like you can do 899 into 96 equals to this amount. Then it's 86,304. Then many more. That's why I would usually like it. Especially the Windows apps are very also like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Database, Note, OneNote. Many all of those applications are good, and even the Photos application is now very good now. Like the Photos application has also changed a lot. If no, none of you know, like literally it has changed so much. I don't know anything about it. Like I've not like used the photos that much, but it's very good now. Like since it has updated since Windows 10, this one's very good now. I think so. It's very good. I use it also not very much, like, but I still use it. That's very good. And including also like there are many more apps like which have changed a lot. But I'm not gonna tell all of the apps like which have changed. Just tell like the main like main apps which have changed. Like if you want when you install Windows 11, this window will open getting started. Like get started. You can just click get started and you can just set up how it you want, like anything you want. Like everything's now new. So yeah. And by the way, I wanted to tell you today's sponsor is AVG Internet Security. I hope you have heard about it, but not many people have heard. Like now in the internet, there are many more new hackers. Like some children who are getting hacked while attending HBL or something, like in Zoom and everything. So this is gonna help you a lot. Okay, like the AVG normal, like the internet security, the normal internet security one. It's very good, and and also like you can scan for hacker attacks if you want. There's enhanced firewall, remote shield, everything. You can block unwanted things, or you can and this is basic protection. If you don't want to buy it as web and email thing, web shield, email shield, hack alerts, can then the computer, these two you will get if you don't buy the like subscription. And if you have the full subscription except the most full one like the AVG ultimate, I only have AVG normal, like the normal one. When I bought it that time, AVG ultimate wasn't there. So if you have AVG ultimate, you're gonna have everything, so that's good. Like there's everything over there. Whatever you want you can do. So today's sponsor was AVG Internet Security, and I think so you should buy it because there are many more options. Like if you have AVG Ultimate, then you will have all these. I only have AVG antivirus software here. I purchased it. So yeah, thanks for giving your time. And after all, this was a very long video. It's actually 26 minutes. I think so, almost 26 minutes. So it is 26 minutes. That's a very long time. Because I have done more videos which have been 1 hour also, but this was the second largest video until now. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye. Hope I see you next time.